Ginoo, doon ang pinahanglan na isa sa garlic milk of the word. Ano maganda sa diri nga therefore the way for us to taste the Lord is simply by drinking the milk of the word. The word is not only for us to study or to learn, but even more of us to taste. Ang pulong dahil sa Ginoo, even ang Biblia, it is not for us to understand, it is not for us to learn, or it is not for us to study, but it is for us to enjoy. No, it is for us to taste, and it is for us kanapang ato ang ma-assimilate. Alam mo sa diyan, the way the Lord nourishes His body is by His word. Even gani sa ato ang physical body, the way for our natural body to be kanang ma-nourish or kanang matigugan or kanang nahimo bang healthy ang ato ang physical body is kanang nakihanglan ka of food. Then sa ato ang spiritual life, no, for us to have growth and for us kanang naatay ka kasi nakita o kanang growth sa ato ang spiritual life.